One of the great things about my role is I get to work with a lot of partners, and a lot of really great partners. However, I will say that I think Tanium's partner enablement capabilities is world class. I mean, I honestly use Tanium's model in discussions with other partners, saying, you guys kind of need to do it like this. Everyone works great together, and everyone understands the sort of role that the other party plays, and it's just been a great ride.
Well, in terms of the partnership has gone from strength to strength over the course of the last year. We've been absolutely blown away by the support that we get from the whole Tanium team. And I think one of the things that that's really important for us is working with people that are really passionate about what they do. And I've got to say that the team at Tanium, we see ourselves in you, and we see a lot of the stuff in terms of your values mirror our values. And when I engage with the team at Tanium, they're actually passionate about their own individual verticals and their individual roles, and how they play a part in making it so that we go out there and deliver really meaningful solutions to our customers that help drive their IT operations. For me, one of the things that is really important is our values are really core to us, and we believe that makes it so that when we're engaged with our customers, when they speak to somebody who works for Softcat, they really feel the passion of it. And I feel that's really the same when I talk to everyone from Tanium. They're very engaged, very knowledgeable, and passionate about going out there and making a difference.
Why Tanium versus other solutions clients have is that many times clients that do not have an enterprise-wide solution. So they'll have a division that will have product A, and a division that will have product B, and another division that will C, and goes on. It doesn't provide confidence that I have that complete rich set of data. So what we typically try to do with the client is show the strength of Tanium being across those issues. And the strength of it for me is the fact that with the cloud-based solution, all you need for your device is an internet connection. So if you have end user computes that are not present on the network, you can't discover it with traditional discovery sources. So we want that data to go back and report back to the Tanium console and collect that data. And it's continuously collecting as an agent, if you will, to report back whenever it's connected to the internet. And what we try to show with clients is for them to think about that if you in fact have full confidence in your platform, if you have full confidence in the completeness and enrichment of the data, we would have the conversation about how. Let's have that dialogue, show me, work through it, and they may have that, right? No silver bullets in the world, right? You have to have this view that go about it. But what we do like to do with the Tanium solution is go across that so I can have that reporting nature, look at the dynamic or the decentralized nature of a client, if you will, the complexity of their environments, and how it augments that and complements what we're trying to do.
I think the relationship with Tanium is different to other vendors because they have a very sort of intimate relationship. It's like being part of the family. And when you're a customer, you feel part of the family because you have a TAM and you have a support organisation that you know the people to go to for help. But it's the same when you're a partner. We have people who look after us, we have connections into engineering, into development, into the support organisation. So we just feel part of the family.
If I look at the way we work with Tanium is we have a regular connect. I have a couple of trust relations, and I can pick up the phone and they pick up the phone when there is something. So I have a very good and deep relation with all layers. And we work together on opportunities in the market. We look country by country, what are the opportunities that we see. We identify them and we jointly go after them. So we have a joint go-to-market, a transparent market approach. If something is not doable or not a good choice, we can say that openly to each other. So again, a trusted relation. And the third thing, we have looked at our portfolio and we keep on looking at our portfolio and say, okay, this is where Tanium can be added, this is where Tanium can play a role, and not in this place, but in this place. And the biggest challenge, no, it's not a challenge, but the biggest way forward is moving Tanium up into that value stack, into the product security, so that we are closer to the business of our clients.